We're absolutely thrilled to welcome you to the premier community college baseball complex in the state of Texas. It's 5,500 square feet. The facility includes a club deck, a club room with lounge seating, a training room with treatment equipment and a hydrotherapy tub, and a new locker room with space for 45 players, lounge seating, and a custom sound system. In addition to constructing the new field house, we renovated the home dugout to provide an enlarged seating area, new bat and helmet racks, and protective railings.
One of the things that makes this a well-rounded and unique campus in the junior college atmosphere is that we've got overnight dorms and housing, so you can come here and feel like you are part of a true college experience.
This facility that they've built for us, you don't even feel like you're in junior college. I mean, you get the best of both worlds, Division I baseball, facilities-wise, with all the advantages of junior college baseball, which is these guys over here don't get to lose their dream of playing in the SEC or Big 12 or playing Major League Baseball.
The first time that we got to walk into that amazing facility up there, everybody on this team was just lost for words. I mean, many Division I programs would love to have the facilities that we have now.